In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Framer. We'll start right at the source. Open your browser and go to framer.com. This brings you to Framer's workspace environment. From there, open the project you're working on so you're looking at your main canvas. The canvas is the central area where your design lives, and it's where your shapes will appear as you add them. If your project is already open, you're good to go. Now look to the top left corner of the interface and click Insert. Insert is your gateway to everything you can add to a Framer design: frames, text, media, and the elements we're focusing on today. When the Insert panel opens, you'll see different sections organized for quick access. Within that panel, find the Elements section and choose Icons. In Framer, icons are treated as scalable vector graphics, which makes them perfect stand-ins for simple shapes and more complex symbols. This means you can use them for circles, squares, arrows, stars, check marks, anything you need to communicate visually. They resize cleanly, can be recolored, and fit seamlessly into your layout. Next, choose Phosphor. Phosphor is a comprehensive, well-designed icon library with both outlined and filled variants, so you can match the visual weight of your UI. It's consistent, readable, and broad enough to cover most use cases, from basic geometry to illustrative marks. Once the Phosphor library is open, you'll have a searchable collection to work with. As you pick an icon, Framer places it onto your canvas automatically, ready for positioning. After an icon appears on your canvas, think of it as your shape. You can move it, resize it, and style it just like any other design element. Use the Properties panel on the right to adjust size, color, and stroke where available. Because these are vectors, scaling keeps them crisp, and you can align them precisely with Framer's snapping guides. If you're creating a set of shapes, say a row of indicators or decorative accents, duplicate them to maintain consistent sizing and spacing. A quick workflow tip: keep your canvas zoom level comfortable so you can see how shapes relate to nearby text and components. Small tweaks to size and color often make a big difference in balance and hierarchy. And if accessibility matters for your project, make sure each icon has a clear role or label in your design system documentation. That's it. By going to framer.com, opening your project canvas, using Insert, heading to Elements and Icons, and leveraging the Phosphor library, you can add clean, flexible shapes to your Framer designs in seconds.